Hey there people, Lenny Rudow here for BoatUS. And you know, at BoatUS, we love boaters of all types, but especially prospective boaters. Now, one of the questions we hear from them all the time is, should I buy a new boat or is it smarter to buy used? Let's talk about it. Here's the deal, people. It's really not very different from buying a new home or a new car versus a used home or a used car. Buy new and yes, you will pay more, but you get a warranty. And you don't have to worry about taking over someone else's problems. You don't have to worry about how well it's been maintained through the years. Mostly, it's important that you remember that all boats can have issues, including most new ones. That said, when you buy new, you've got that warranty and that dealer support behind you. Take this boat, for example. Bought it new a few years ago, and yeah, some issues popped up, but I just made a laundry list, took them to the dealership, and everything, poof, was fixed under warranty. The flip side of the equation, of course, is expense. Most new boats are going to lose somewhere between 20 and 40% of their value as soon as you start using them. And that extra power in your budget, if you're buying used, could mean a bigger power plant, more length overall, a different kind of boat with more features that you really want to get. Take this boat, for example. A friend of mine bought it a few years ago. He paid about 30% less than it would have cost new, and it was very lightly used. Now, he did have to put about 5% of the boat's value right back into it to fix some things, but overall, he's been very happy with the purchase. Making this decision is not easy. The best advice we can give is to take things slow. Look at a ton of boats, both new and used. Go to some boat shows where you can see a whole bunch of boats all together at the same time. The bottom line is simply take your time about the boat shopping process. Now, if you're buying a large, expensive boat that's used, you do want to have it checked out by a properly accredited surveyor. When you find that boat that's perfect, you'll know it. And I'll bet you buy it whether it's a used boat or a new one sitting on the showroom floor. Have you bought a new boat and/or a used boat recently? Hey, check into the comments and let us know what you think. I hope you found this video helpful, and I also hope you'll subscribe to the BoatUS YouTube channel. But most importantly, I hope you'll get out there and start boat shopping right now.